Once a mockingbird, he was overheard singing out a word to a cattle herd.
All you bovine creatures, dig what I'm laying down. All you sinners, drop everything, everything. Let the melody and the harmony ring, let it ring. Lift arms up to heaven and sing, ring a ding. Sing your sinners, won't you sway and swing? What a thing! Start with clapping your hands, all about, all about. Don't be silent, let the Lord hear you shout, shout it out. And just let the music come out of your snout. Sing your sinners, won't you sway and swing? Check it out. Dig the drift of what I mean.
In a world of disco music,
Old Scratch,
Satan gets his kicks.
he's up to his tricks.
He'll be laughing up and down the banks
Of that river Styx. You're so wicked, baby, and you're depraved. You can rave. It's apparent that you have misbehaved to your grave. But if you should wanna be safe, just behave. Take a listen now to the birds. Stop all that chewing your cud and all that standing in the mud there. Sweet people, swing every shot from your bottle. I know that everyone believes that cattle prodigies are like a sea. Hard blowing, Mr. Monday, blow a hell of a show. If you sing, you gotta swing.
But remember that the day will come when you will be just take on a pin.
Folks, you know it's fate.
So dig the music of the swingers' feet.
Before you swing around your feet, that's a little too dark. Still, it is true, we got bread, one more to live at a time. What you stupid, you fool, you think to sing was a crime. It's the hands now, here comes the girl to clap.
Mrs. Mockingbird, I must say you haven't heard the friendly bellowing swing of our friends the cows as they turn away from your garden to Fuller. And they're spending every day just sneaking around to live another live. He's got work on the cow tone, so when they get up to blow, they blow up out a bone tone into the ozone.
You Tweety birds are always singing away, never giving up a thought of what you say. We cows do shed and take the most of our day. So when we start settling into play, we could say our move is an array of what we've always known to be the best and only way to play.
What we need to say, before the band will let you sing. Sing, we'll turn your hand to sing. You gotta get yourself to swing, like the beat or sing. So your horn can blow, we'll sing along.